Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and I coach women how to write a better story for their lives. And in today's video, it's the March Planner Perfect subscription box reveal. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, before I flip you around, I'd love to tell you a little bit about what my inspiration was for this box. March, having Easter in it, was something that definitely needed to be on my radar when I began painting. So I feel that what I painted, which was in acrylic this time, really reflected the heart of new beginnings and beauty and Easter, and with some speckling of St. Patty's Day. So with that, I'll turn you around. Okay, you guys, here we are. I have it kind of poofed up and because I just kind of put stuff in here, but this is the box that it's going to come in, and let's go ahead and get started. Now, when I go ahead and pull out the planner and the journal, this is supposed to be a surprise box. So if you don't want to be surprised, then you can exit, but here we go. I'm going to push this out of the way. But I thought it turned out cute. This is March. I've got some cute bunnies that I did in acrylic, and I absolutely loved how it turned out. I love how I pulled the March from the green in the balloon, and then you have this cute back, which I adore. And then we have the journal. And this turned out so good, I thought. And this was acrylic. Yep, I did this in acrylic. And I just thought it represented, there was a lot of some green that I would stipple on here. And I just thought that it represented March really well. I wanted the backs to go well together, as I know that, I mean, it's just important. And I thought that it did. If you're new to me, this subscription box comes to your door every month, and you're freshly inspired by new goals, new intentions, and pages that are roomy for you to write your story. So, and if you want more on how to begin with this method and how to script a life without boxes, then you can see this video up here. Okay, so there's that. Let's go to the washi. So I've got my hair that was last year, I think. So it's still in its wrapper here, but yeah, it's that cute little hair with a greenery wreath around him. I've got some cute Easter eggs and some purple gingham, and I just think it went well with everything. So there's that. And then I've got the stickers. So you get 4 sheets, 2 of each. And I thought it, you know, of course you've got the new art. There's some new ones in here, and then of course we bring back some of the classics. So I've got, of course, the lamb and the lion. You've got the new art here. You've got some bunnies, my little chick, butterflies. And then here is like more, I love this. I wanted to draw from St. Patty's Day a little bit for those who love to celebrate it. You know, I was never allowed to celebrate it when I grew up because my mom's Italian, so we never celebrated it. So I always laugh when I see Happy St. Patrick's Day. But there it is. I love it, I love it, I love it. And then we've got the tip-ins. So you get 12 of them, 2 of each, which are so beautiful. You can tip these inside of your planner. You can give them as gifts. You can set them out because the little cards of artwork is what they are. So many different functions for them. And you can write on the back of them in your planner and tip it in. That's typically what, we do. There's also a calendar. So let's start with that. Look at how cute. We pulled Mr. Bunny from there and put him on this calendar when designing it. So we have that one. We have the bunnies. You've got this cutie. I think he's Benjamin. I think is his name. Then we've got, this was on the washi. Then the flowers that are on the journal. And the cute lamb. Okay, so there you have it, you guys. The March box. You have until the 10th. You've got a little bit of time. We've got until the 10th to get in on this box. The 10th of February to get in on this cute box. And I hope you love it as much as I had an amazing time painting it for you. Until next time.